Can we return the old please? We have an intruder. You guys are all set? You guys are security? English teacher Marcus, sit down here. Melissa, English teacher. Miss O'Brien, she did not get set up. Biology teacher Glenn. Okay. This is what we did. We went down the line and we had every staff member do the best impression of a hot dog that they could possibly do. I'm talking about the meanest face, the loudest yell, just an ugly looking hot dog face. I'm not saying y'all ugly. Whatever y'all can do this. So, just in case our staff members don't know what a hot dog impression looks like, I have money here to show them. One more time, but now that this time is going to do it, let's see the teachers. Let's see what to do. Now let's say the most intimidating part of a hot dog warrior is his tongue. And the bigger your tongue, the more intimidating you are. That's what they say. So we're going to start off with Mrs. Ash. She's going to be doing a presentation for us. I'm going to count to 3, and I want you to make the ugliest, meanest, most rowdiest hot face that you can possibly do. Are you ready for this?
Intimidate us, Miss Ash.
1, 2, 3. Now you know what Miss Ash I do, right? I want you to scare the mess out of these people, all right? Ready? All right. I think she's going to throw up. 1, 2. Give it to him, Miss O'Brien.
I have medication for that. I have medication for that.
Miss OG, straight from the streets of West Island. No, man, she's dangerous, y'all. Watch it. Ready? 1, 2. Give it to me.
Okay, children, at least be scared.
You guys are supposed to go.
Me levanta mucho con nice.
Go easy, y'all. Get up, go easy. So far, Miss Ash is the worst competition, man. Y'all gotta do something. 1, 2. Get him, coach. the sound of your applause. Right here. All right. How about right here? Right here? Oh boy. How about this side?
Come on, coach.
All right, here we go. Give it up to Coach. Now, you fellas, you just won $20. I don't know what you can do with $20, but I'll be waiting for y'all to punch me out after the show. Let's give a big hand for our contestants, y'all.